Don't Julie Jacola and Jaga. Yeah, it's Paul out Jaga. I guess I change Jaga. Can do my show out Jaga. Yeah, I feel like a plaga.
Yeah, la device tabanana kamera kamu.
Ata siyo la, libo jwanga ubone. Ane baka na kuphunyile. No ke kwezwa bo ma 15 years. Yeah, ka attempt to man. Ha ke ta qina drong ko ba. Like ke itjwetsa man dadeng actually ke batle ha ke kha ngwana ke msila sa tsebotseya sa tsebubu ha ke jira ngwana ke wa bua bona elang khabata le le ha se ke tshentshi I know ke ba yentse baka waka I know ke ba yentse ka ke ba hlabile ka etsa dimboho whatever.
Oh no gods
baka
you see them tattoos kapa the stukas
baka ne ke motho mo ga denja ga se ka freestyle
tshantse le le dipotso no tseletsatsi la mfatla ka site nena ha ke sa ipatla be ke be motho basadi ba tla reng state representing Free State
baka ne ke botsa batho ke reke le mentioneng a iwane a sona le toolkit Free State
bare
ha yo baka
di ba toilet
ente ke se ke le South Africa
ke bose
ke South Africa
Sahasana marabela uziko au petit boss sur le petit boss au petit boss sur le petit boss au petit boss sur le petit boss Sahasana marabela uziko
Mizute no hadi ya fati Khale ke thata o di male fati Batlo le mala no ho bua di tlase Tswela bapala tshela motlakase Shapela fati jwalo ka katse Baka musino ba gangwa ke gase Team ya magabela ke le swala gasha ha ba sa bona no ba bona o le legotho ba tlo safara dikwata le tlo le mala dikwata ba tlo safara dikwata le tlo le mala dikwata
Emabebe satavalano petit boss Izinje sami over there ba pussy vodka Why you dancing like you wanna do come over Sahasela marabela uzogoka Emabebe satavalano petit boss Izinje sami over there ba pussy vodka Why you dancing like you wanna do come over Sahasela marabela uzogoka
Mama Tat. Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another epic episode of Podcast Finest. I'm your host, Tidy, aka my fashion, aka the money maker. Put it on my tap. Style so class. No Jeff, Nabantwana, Eminu money maker. Hampana fellow no Gezi. You don't want to master in the gear. Hirebo Tower. And today we have a guest all the way from Ritz. We are the biggest repeated Free State's finest. Chanti Emune. Chanti Renal talent show you that Futenyana is Ritz included. Our fair too, yeah. Tabum Futenyana's finest. Two kids in the building, buffet, po. Alop macho when you joke macho opa macho when utwa ritu tamona gidi poto tsenga dampe wena petrol ye wena petrol po chanti nimpela nthwane bomo kenana yigete po all the way from Ritz buffet two kids I mean to say the one you see on TV, the one you see on Facebook, music videos, la shoot al music video Takane aka Danon. Sale show be ti kwana obetsa dintho tse ko. Amana. Ke yona toolkit Buffetto. Welcome.
Excellent so brother.
Mna.
Ke maswiti ke
Di photo ludile man how it's man. Well, the sense at what the Ritz very because of your potholes. Your government there man.
Ba relaxed.
Ke ukwala le KFC fitla mabanyana ra. When
if it's left out to
if you get to answer in Torieta and the community's head. So the name Toolkit is Waka Helen.
Libitola Toolkit waka one of the stories is bitwa Refim City Kau E. Una the guy nearly gangster yana wa so nearly Toolkit. So the girl like motswere entse ke motswere bile So
bo baby mama ke a gola ke
hantle ke
ya ke kotsi ya
hantle ke yena wa nga lebitso lena na gae etle ke o tshwana le diamond the action everything so le nna go reng ai ke toolkit man nthola ke tsamaya ka yona
ntwena ke yona
nthola madi
69
hantle bra
au ke yona ntwena
exegaras
so wa ipi ya ba toolkit ya star
ya ba toolkit kala hona da
so ha ile hantle ha re ke re fela dikolo no tsamaya jwang dikolo mane wa bona primary intermediate no le bo ma A student ka pono le bo a bo mrama
wa sasgela bra ka ne ke monate I don't wanna lie le menere tseno di ruta di tla bolella ka bona di tla commenta di tsa ntwana na bua vare ne le monate sgela just nje o la etsala tse etsalang but sgela ne ke le mo bia go le
no le mo
ne ke le monate
o di betsa tshi
ne ke di etsa ntho ngata la ba ntshepa
ba ukwa ka we
la ba ntshepa la mabaka
top 5
top 1 nja
o le ntennete
ya
o representa school
ile le ke RCL
kai high or intermediate
primary braka then ka intermediate then ke mo ntho di la khina teng ona da
maro teti
ha ke qeta bra
wa tsala mbalo o le best
braka wa tseba makeishene ke re go letse bo maplasing so wa tseba rona bo maplasi ha ke kena location re bona dintho ga di thabela so wa senya everything
le ritsi bane ke a khola le bitsa qwaqwa the city
ya qwaqwa ke a vuma bra waka I don't wanna lie ke a vuma ibi ke thabile le go ke dile qwaqwa
yeah industrial car wash nnete
le nthwanyane
second floor
ha bohloko
ka VIP
polo ke dutse ka
toilet takian ba ba tlo ruta dijo di teng
nthongwe le ngwe bra waka
dibiri di teng
wa mpona
o hlatswa koloi
ke a le ba ithinta ba
ao manne Badneti re le bo industrial badneti ya gola la etse ba kona go ritse
ga etse ba bra waka ga etse
o ka se fitli mona o thola ko le yiwa never
le sentse ke tseba ga
re besitse
ke
industrial
bona batho
ke o lo bona bo mafutsume
wa e bona ntho
tsa tla le check ya mona na go no tseba gai
hence ke tle ke diwa
tla thole
ha ke a tseba ke go pagala ba besana
ye ba teng ba kanna ba di bie
ke ba shebile bra waka ke bona se nna fela wa BM mona
ba bangata tsa kanna tsa body fucking card teng mo
bra ke shebile ke a bona ke dintho bra
ga besa
a bhlo
body white couch
ke a le dumela bona fela bra waka wa mpo ke goa
nete ba ba tla tshepa ga
tulki
representing Riverside
Absolutely.
Ritz. So now growing up ko Ritz ne
sure bra
Ritz ba ile place ele a bona e sing shapunyane like maplasing they call it a bona like ba tseba ba so now ho hola mono ho shape le jwang wena in person so
bra ga tse ho lela Ritz ho ngutletse dintsa dintho tse baya philong bona how to be strong actually ore ke inahanele wa bona because Ritz ke Ritz bra ka ha o sa inahanele it means ha ona motho le go tla hlaya
surviving is winning
ha bohloko ntho jwalo Ritz e jwalo ke wena ka wena e seng ka batho ba bang bra
yeah
so e ngutile ntho tseno mara actually I'm not from Ritz Ritz ke ka se le gore
o holetse
ke holetse yona ke tswa Kestele platqwaqwa mo
ja dipone da Ritz da ke a tseba ona go le ga le
ke fita dipone bra ha ne ke bona dintshwa ka le dipone tse ke a bona fela ke ina tsa ga magoa da magoa tondolo ga blind da se
ka bana le mago
ai ke bone fela pone le ntho tlo ntshwarella philo mra ke rata ntho tse tatileng
but dintho tse ngata job opportunity teng
ya tsa Ritz yona bra ka spane se teng ene batho ba paya ba spana no le thaka tsa rona le ba banyane go nna bra ka I can see gore ba spana life e tswetse pila ai entle go Ritz na le difeme bra ka ene le batho ba qwaqwa ba tloa hiso ba e kana ba bo makae ka Peterstein Frankfurt Ritz phutila o ya phutila tswa ba
fela KFC de hana o
ba ile ba emetse nna bra ka na ba sna gore ba ka etsa ke so tu
body mall teng
ya wa bona ntsa ba emetse nna ke nna to ba kenya president ya go ba le molo ka because ba bona le bona gore ke a bese a bana chance
nnete
ke nnete kwa sa ba kenye molo
paola
ke nna tuka ya moga wa ka ke ntho straight nna ke batle le go no mmethe ke tsamaya ntho tshwene ke ntho straight moga wa ka.
So now to ya body mall king is it because of the population kapa
No.
kapa e tshwanetse be teng no jela ge ka
Ya moga wa ka ya bo Bethlehem ya ke ona hle toropo le gore batho ba re itse ha re sa thole dintho bo re itse re ya Bethlehem because
set ya Bethlehem and photo tsengana
le mna ka tell
ya tell is it our municipality ya lona ka mo
ya iteng
or your municipality is it ours or yours
ke a rona yeng
o ke a lona sa yitseng tsela di be nnete
actually magatsile ke ya government I no blame municipality ke ya government ke yona e santsetse dintho di be nneteng.
But now you are there now ba le bona celebrity potholes man. Imagine someone coming from Joburg to potholes man.
Boga bo Limpopo boy ba totsa madi potholes ba.
Limpopo boy.
Nahana
the whole Limpopo boy.
A go to bona tulikiti di potholes kitse.
Going from Germany.
Braga international dance.
Oya ifisa magoa.
China.
Kaofela. Una tsa mapotholo.
SS
Because of the
panjara sa tlhikiki balla mara ba tseba go itse tsela teng high soft
and now they are in a hurry
why ba
di gigi ngata and you are trying to plug the people of Reeds
ha so go braga ke zama gore ka hohle re itse ke be dintho
mare but I think the government will see and will do something.
Nka mo thabela tlo kwa mpa ka lukisa tsena because le nna kwa ke a travela ba wa ka tamele ke fitle bo kwa tamele ke bo
pala mitjena
ba ka se bantwa da le motse wa se pele thola o fedile o kosa ba le ke ditso di traga tloela ta ona go ka tla kosa
man
just spender government ankalla itlalla lo
itlalla so no je I think Regesiri, you are singing for Reeds Fair.
Sure,
Free State. Representing Free State.
Boga ne ke botsa batho ke reke le mentioneng a iwane a sona le toolkit Free State.
Bare.
Ha yo boga.
Di ba toilet.
Ente ke se ke South Africa.
Ke see.
Ke South Africa.
Yeah, representing South Africa.
Boga no tjena Free State obvious ke le tsu.
Ntse bo ka wena.
Ha bana chance boga o ko ba shebele bana dintho mona di TikTok ha e go toolkit ke tsa moga wa ka planet
ao banna
ha ona go ba ka imagine
ma ja fetwe maho
abuti
ntho di benete
ntho matachi
di emena na ipalame entry e fatsi ao banna ba utlwe ka wena
ba utlwa ka nna boga ka Free State like a ke mind.
So ubina hip hop ubina kwaito ubina mapia ubina ba jwetse
bura ka nna ke bina tap ba bitsa tap Free State ba te bolimpo pa ke ba bitsa le kompo so ka ke tap ena ke so le boga ke di go betsa mhlae hore tap ke nna ha ba bua tap o tshoma bua ka ntwe ke toolkit
and you are making a living
boga wa ka ke ja dintho ka ntwe
wa base
ha bohloko ka ba ka ntwe tap
and ba etsa sifa ba e
boga ke ba besa ke bone motho a mpua hampe ba ta ke cheka video ke re bona ya
o bua ke dum
hana chance boga ka ke toolkit ke tsana tlamelo itsipo itolo
oh damn
ntho straight
oh shit
wa bona
banna o tshao ke ra ba sentse ba hla
boga ka kwa harassment Bethlehem henga ribala boga ka ba ntswe and I'm proud of myself Free State ntho tse so re di qinne gala ho
imna a dire happy there is a say ya gore in rona ne rena ke twa sure they say the support you will not find it the place more gentle and especially Basotho can go through KZN the politics music
sure
sheba debe
sure
le kompotse le mamela even today
sure
and they thought gore le tlo
sure
but the peanuts tsa bona ntse ba di mamela and the streams the numbers don't lie so bazole ba supporta culture bo.
Hampe.
Then you come to Free State.
Yo.
Ke ba Magumba ha se pina but
Yo.
ibile Magumba na la what? Thotse what no. And is a song ya Free State.
Ya Freestata.
And the Free State people they don't support. Ba ga ba
appreciate that man. You go Freestata mape.
ba ga ba utlwisisa.
Bothata Free State re rata ntho tsa ka ntle kana na dia base of tsa Freestata.
Ba ke so support you ba ne ba tseba hore yena o dutse fela wena you are doing something. And you are making an honest living country.
Yona flow po bra wa.
So we have to talk about dintho tse jwalo, the support Basotho le thotse fela ho lwanwa diskolo di register batho NSFAS di etsang Basotho ba thotse fela
Batho
KZNs they are fighting
absolutely
for your education. Lona le thotse fela le dutse ha motho a leka ho etsa something out of talent ya hae they fight. I don't know why ba molantsha
ba bua hampe thakalo wa ipotsa like no o trend al there nya hore I'm sleeping with her ba ga ke thola what's ala ntho ngaka wa bona
why Helen because of the music video.
No, before like Braga dancer is my dancer. If I don't be free, I'm not afraid to try dancer ka ke kharab. Why should I be afraid to get dancer come to come like so? So whatever about ba think they don't talk about it. But we feel like
we're talking about re no tsa ka tlisa professor podcast a bona e shebella
nix
bua ka body count o do bona ba tla ba le da
how so
ba re ba tsona club bada ba kotsi
ba ga tanto tse negative
ba ga tanto tse jwalo ne yeah they don't support and they should support cause now if ever you are doing something coming from Free State o tlo plaka batho ba bona ba hesha o plaka batho all the way ba lo plaka batho ba ka se bo
ke ona flop ya rona Free State ene mara nna from my side I can say 99% ba ga Free State is behind me. Ke kutala bona da ding yeso. Hence ke le happy Free State ba ga ke tsa supporter yo mara side like I can see it now no man. But Free State yeah
number one
yeah in so I don't know kala sound ena ka o di mara yona ai support ke a bona bra
yeah especially when no just so it's about music video it means the support is there
it mara wa
yeah so can you work us through the Skepcell Entertainment or initiative bo mamba tadileng the mission for the entertainment and so forth le planang ho ya pele
bra ga bona bua ka Skepcell Entertainment ke nna se startile bra wa
self-made. We are talking to the one and only.
How na mothimu?
The Skepcell CEO.
That's why it's a Skepcell.
Wow. Yes.
Twana hore ke tshokolo bra wa ka. Ne ke zama kana go tseu. Ke zama hore ke etse ntho le nyaka. Nna ke rato sign ha. That hence ke buletse taba Skepcell ke nkile bana bo boqwa bo makaeka hore Christmas re ke thushe Free State e bana le ntho le hore ya etsa ka Skepcell sena sa ka se but the challenges tsona di are teng obvious
yeah especially on music so ka re jwetsa hore musicing wa pursuile ho etsa le kompo and the challenges story face tse mono e la ba di fela
ba ka ne ke etsa hip hop actually
ke ba tseba ba le kompo ke ba hip hop fela
ya ne ke shapa hip hop so nna ke gona ho bala culture ba ke motho wa culture so hits nka se ntho sa ratweng hits ke tap ba ke hotse ke tseba hore hits ho mamelwa tap
bo DJ call me
ha bohloko ba
bo marry me
hampe ne go hola ka tsona hits so ba re yentse ke tsa hip hop ke bone man hip hop ha ena
that's it
o sa khona attract batho ba ho what's Free State motho a mo khona ke go kwa mametsi hip hop itlap mara sound ya itsa ke yetse qadile ngwane le se ya boraga la kunyapa ngwana sa tseng bua wa kunyapa
wa fila
wa utlwa
le tlantwe
da ba le bitwa enate
base yenu kyo
boraga ke ba khotla so ka ikgethela ga re ke pushele ba itseya ba itseya boraga ga minoma plus no sound la ha ba sa ikwele ma plus le kwa kwa surprise tse boraga kwa Qwaqwa le sini
le gona ka le mamela
mara nna
they know
I didn't feel so
awa nna re tswa mona re tswa ka le
Qwaqwa bra ka Qwaqwa
but and the thing is the DJs tsa Qwaqwa ha di le late there was an event in re attendile ba letsa le kompo batho ba lahlanya batho ba e batla ntwe
ba ba hesha bra ka entle ke DJ se bhaya na I know re music wa ka o thata gore ba bapala but they are being forced to re batla toolkit ma ba le ke la nna ka tswa mona ka kestele bo makae ka ke ra gore ke tla DJ was forced o re bapale scooter I was there
yeah
ne ke mametse ba mo yetsa gore re batla scooter or else to that was too
I don't then ke tsena na bala it useless
ya bona lo
re batla ntwe
bra ka ga reila
re batla o palama re ka
straight bra ka once re pota ntwe
re ka besa no
once bra
once so the events le di gigs di nga kapo you making your own
ala ke a bukwa bra ka ke bukwa holo ye ke a bukwa yo especially na konya no
ya bona le December o busy
hampe khotman hampe like hence ke re Free State ha re ska blame nga ka Free State ten support but not ka fela ba tla support mara yona e temo ka nna ke sheba bookings tsa from January till now ha ke soka ke lla ke re ke hloka booking since ba thona ba mbuka ba ka go ke like ke a feel go ke celebrity ya
o nnete
mara
gadi na metse stuff
because you know they are surprised to how can toolkit bukwe ka tsatsi le wana thole booking tse 5 ha yo ntwe na Free State a re tsebe da ba comment o tlo fitla neng go rona what ke re ha ba ka sheba Limpopo shebe shit
mabe
o na le gigitse ka
ba re o beitse o ntho o book to fitla month end ya jena wa
Free State a re bona ntho tse jwalo ka toolkit ba tsoa go rona no fitla no
wa
fitla da
pala mabie
eish
they must relax
ke dua ke ba yo tsa ke da ke tsantsi ka betla TV ke raisa ka yo
ke di 1 2 3
ke fitli ke mo ke teng kwa
wa fast ya wa nka le snako go fitse
kwa so
re itsa ka fela mentoring go unique
simple
re di stofo
ke nna yo
sa gona fela go change le na re le ya ka mumu
exactly bra
to di be nnete
exactly bra
so now they must be inspired hey this thing is working
Free State tsantsi bra ka e lene from nna ke ba fa power go ba lene from nna ya via dintho tse ke tswang o tsona di must learn gore ntho no lengwe possible di a isala bra wa ka ha ona ntho thata ha o dumela gore ntho tsena di thata di tlo be thata
tla o thulela ihle tla batha
ha ona ntho tlalong
so how etsa music ne o na le boma theme o hore pina ena na ke etsetsa but ba itse specifically kapo you are just doing it for fun
na bra ka actually music wa ka o tswa go nna te pelo wa bo actually ke tsa music a ka be ka buna ka milione ke sina yo ke di a khotsa le artist pa ha re bine ntho le gore ba feto ga itsebe o ka to bina le batho ka gore ke na le di milione ha ona mix bra ka bina ka direng da no to bona go batho ba to rata music wa nna ke bina ntho e tswa monana e ke tseba gore ho ka etsala ga se nna fela life
ada
I told
is it no I got more cars
ha go sheba o itsamela ka ba se o itsamela ka ba
too late
wa ba ke bisi it means sentse o thetsa batho from your music
yeah
music ke ntho le go ba ka e santse hile batho santse e inspire batho wa bona ha ba ke le shano da ba tla nnete
di nnete fela
le scooter o bua scooter ska e ya fela ska
so palama fela
so palama bona
sure. Yeah, so can you can you take us through the process okay? Like what's a scooter, what inspired you, and did you think about to receive a scooter as scooter was born or like how perform the song actually but by tabela
I want a scooter so now I don't wanna lie. I was doing it for fun. Yeah, it was for fun. No go like real scooter. Like you can do that and tougher and Jay getting a little man. Okay, I can do a song no. Next level, I was surprised still in now how. And three scooter says was for that so. Via Plaza Braga scooters in Kins. Simple. Yo,
se ka
bra.
se
Hey, bra wa ka.
wa tholelo ha o sheba di numbers
Ke bolaile.
o bolela
Via Free State. Bra ka ha o qala o thola bo ma 200k streams. You are the best. Ke Free State.
Free State mo
Yeah, man bo Limpopo it's 1 million more Free State. Bra ka
Ah, obviously.
artists are tolling le 500 views.
ah bana ai
True bra wa ka.
hai
Free State.
ai
Mono
Uthata.
hence ke itsho ke re ba mpona as celebrity because numbers tsa
numbers don't lie
braka di bua ntho straight gore di mane Free State ka tseba braka 400k streams the views braka o ntse go fa di badge because we know re ka fella how to lwane ke 1k while Limpopo le tsa di million.
and we should focus happy, especially talking about things like support. We should support each other like Limpopo is doing.
Braka problem ya bona mono fela like re jalla na mona Free State especially nna lata di artist ha una artist go utlwana lona Free State go jotsa ride ha iyo ha una artist ke reng I can work with this artist ra etsa mo matrek hence ke spanela batho ba Limpopo most ke spanela batho ba because Free State they hate me I don't know why.
Obani, you are the biggest artist, one of the biggest artists. Whatever you are talking about Mtwena Nori. Abono Tabena.
Sure.
Because Omake, if ever Bonabadutsi high and then they see life is not working out for them, they can't be happy for you.
Ijwalo bakawaka. And
That's the
social media
problem.
is dangerous. What I want artist paya. Na braga ngeze tsantonga. Social Facebook e brawaka yo yang khabata di ding. Like batho ba mpua bakawaka bona. Ke abitswa ke ditsila. Brawaka yo especially no ke bua ka ntho e tsaitseng madaginiso. Ya no le event I don't know Senegal a bona. Bible ke postile there in Senegal baka batho ba le maditse pelo bana but I have to be strong bona cause ke tsa di artist re jwalo like there was event ke a bona ene itsala that side I was mentioned now I was in the way go etsala event batho ba batla ke te eventing so braka balanketsetsa ntho ngata bona ya balanketsetsa ha ke tla bona go Free State kai re na le problem. So no simple king ke Sunrise ke what qwaqwa hi
Rise and shine.
Ha ka etsa gigi so batho ba qwaqwa ba mention hore re kopa toolkit. Is it wrong?
It's not. Because no check I see Rise and shine e tlabeng mo. It's the people.
So when batho ba qwaqwa ba re kopa toolkit ho tla batho ba ba qwaqwa ba ngwa. For I don't know but then how quick the artist paya di learn from Nabraka and I'm strong I'm very strong like ke di bona ntho tsena mara di affect ka kwa tuma sha
Ya itla wa feel o motho le wena.
you can na nyolla the charge of firearm so be sita ke tsa ke mbuleng di mana ke mbuleng bra.
Yeah, but it's very hard, especially for the artists now. O mention then but babari what.
Braka, why are they doing that to artists of Free State?
It's because their lives are not working out for them. Now they are, but it's a good example how bua ka Shebeshita ana qala na tsa live. Apola ne ba mshapa ka bottle.
Brawaka.
Then he became the biggest thing.
That's why ke nna Brawaka Free State to qala bona mhlolo kang. I won't give up. Hore ba bua Brawaka hore what nam toolkit and I'm here to stay.
Ah re lobese.
Hampe
Ba lo bua ba rona.
hampe Brawaka.
Ah monna.
Le qwaqwela e tlo ntse ba ka fela.
Hanyane ke haholo.
Thank you Brawaka.
Hanyane ke haholo ene re batla ho etsa ntho tse tjena.
Tse serious
Ntho tse serious. Ha o kena ba utlwe.
ba go toolkit teng ka randa.
So no je ne ke bone go nona le bothakane. So what inspired you like kapo what motivated you bonje thakane o place on your music video?
Thakane Brawaka she's a good dancer ngwanona.
Yeah, especially habits are zele tsa hae.
Ala
Ala.
wa be etsa ngwanona.
Wait.
Ene batho ba baya ba tsebe Thakane o bile famous before nna.
Yes, yeah, it's like.
And I was trying hore ke mo text mo TikTok en fait o kopetse bo ma dipina ka ntho di video ka pina tsaka. She was denying one all that. I don't wanna lie. Ha ke mo sebe ha ke mo bua mbe but ona hana le yena wa tseba hore ona nyatsa. Ona le partinya batho le go ba nyatsa sound ya ka. Ona etsa di video ka sound ya Limpopo. Actually na sebedisa sound ya Dr. Nel. The one a hlokaetseng.
Yeah.
Le yena a ke spanne le yena he. Thakane na spanisa sound e jwalo. Braka ke mo rapetse ngwanone. Thakane e braka dilemo. Thakane o qale o le nna once ke ba famous. Ampona ke trend. She came to me a kopa respect. So na ke na pelo mpe bra wa. Ka mo fa spani ga push. And I trend more. I trend more. Ha ke na jealous for yena but ona na le reason tsa hae hore why na sa batho spana le nna ka kwena.
I get happy what's the thing happy re recognizing as whole. What's ba ha motho tsa lento. Some people ba think hore ish man ha no mpatala bona ish and now le nna ke lapi ha sa kutsho re ke se mo blame ha.
Yeah,
but all and then now o tlo etsa ntho but o feeling ka go tla ba promote mo ena sa thole next so I re ke se ba blame batho ba feeling jwalo
sure
but if ever bona go no je I see go le nna ke tla benefit let me do it then hi it's wa bona then it am like no jojo o trendile mo
braka o besitse ngwanole ngwanole after ga spanele nna braka le nna ke besitse gore entle ke nna le nna di le ka benefit ka le
change of goods
la ntho tse le gore o mpuletse tsona le nna la ntho tse le gore ke mpuletse tsona that's straight different and hona le this one ba reng ke Fiona o blind ba ka wa Fiona kwa Senegal ngwanole o blind it's like nna ke try to build up ga wa ka ja build like from ntho tse ke tswang o tsona ke motho builder ntho ke gona ikalla yona is na nix ke etse ntho
from the scratch
so
we papise we
e tlale sebaka
so no je re sheba bo di collaborations ne willing to work with bo man no ja sheba bo ma top 3 yo ka mention hore ha ba tswa nka ka spana le bo mzala dintho di ka ba meeting
ba ka bona no nna tlonya ga ba ka itumela mothaiwane Makazi ke diwa ke ba yetsa the only artist ke khallam le pelong ba ka gore ke Spanelon ke Makazi then ba bang is ke a batla bati ka mo Makazi
hopefully Makazi will see this
braka gore le yena wa tseba we dimano ba tsa Spana le nna ka pelo ya ka ofela ke yona artist le gore okay bo Shandesi bo Charisma they are good but Makazi braka Melo tseba taba tsane Melo hape braka hasile ke rata motho a keneng dintho a hasela ba ba mma thotse like so Makazi braka tsile ke tsamayang o ifiti so clearly malenteng wa aso ga mpone le kwa ka batletsa aso ga ba mpone braka ba mpona we ntwanele ya phusha mara Makazi ke ena braka o ka pelo mara wa ka
and hopefully one day you will work with him with her
go like braka ka be ke re toga ka pheteng ye le ke toga ka ke like ke since ke loga Makazi pelo maka okay anga Spana le motholi ke tobesha
the power of the tongue is very strong and hopefully one day Makazi will see and she will respond positively. Our Makazi, a queen. Le compo.
Braga, how am busy queen fe?
Hey. So now, registering your music name on all the digital platforms. It's very important to like it. And now, but Baba believe on and now it's not good because now you are not making numbers.
Sure.
Why should I stick in meeting alone and guy pitanga? Why should you keep build that out to stream it?
Sure.
So tell them it's very important to have your music and to register your name on all the digital platforms so that batho ba stream numbers don't lie or la lo bukwa hore emene I have this if ever la ka go ntsha proposal o I promote yourself you have these numbers and numbers don't lie so ako ba jetse is it important or is it not important to like but put their songs there ntho tsa bona dinamelo stuff
ga go important haholo wa bona music wa hantle ntle da re tlo khabatha o tsa se register te ba ka o tshwana la wetsa grade because I can sing your song how registered you are nothing wa bona
o ko ga mba di butsang
sure because ba ka wena o etsa grade o tshwana la o rekisa jwala sports but so ho important mvetho o tlamela o register music wa hao o etse di numbers so le celebrity tse big di to khona ho bona ne like le nna ba wa ka pele ke Spanish artist ki rampe Spanish I go YouTube I go ke share streams tsa ha di sebetsa jwa if was na re ntse ha se artist so o tshwana le ntso o etsa ke crime o etsa ntho ntle le molao o dumellang hore bina so bona bana na go maybe ka WhatsApp pina tla matha fast ke tswara a khale ba ga ke bana ka WhatsApp ha ya nsebeletsa WhatsApp but you know the streams tsa ka I know ha ba na go ya ifela ona le nthonyana e tla
do they pay like
fala ga
a bana
ba ska saba distribution deal ya thusa le dem ga ba ka mara tlamelo thole batho le hore ba loya because ba tla tribu ba tla di game mona na musicing ha ona di favor ha go tloya le bohloko daso da it's a win ga ba tla win ka ofela so ba tla tribula thola distribution deal o tlo bona gore music is important da re ke bophelo ha music ka ophidi so important that ke ntho tsantse ba itse gore go register music you di ntho tsa di important ha go ke yona tshwapile santse o etsa o qala ba ska lokisetsa rona wa ntsa WhatsApp qala sentso ya nnete
because ga utlwelana le ba ba ntseng the biggest songs but they don't get the royalties
problem does o ka ja bo 100,000 streams the views how to links because you are not registered some bro are you saying
so now when your name is registered the entertainment in netting but if they wanna signed they wanna be signed by you bakatla ba to signa
sure bra ke ntho ntse ke etsa especially kwa talenting aka bra
I yo
kwa
rena le ntho monana talent show ka di 10 di 11 ya music le dance
ke bone bra
a ko ba jetso ko postele na ba je is thabo mfutsanyana
ke bone bra
they can come from Reeds to here they are welcome
even if ingathola chance ke na la go tlatisa dancer ka tsaka raso
ya le bona ba ke ba tlo le money is
money bra wa ka so kwa yona I wanna talent them
is too much
yo bra ka o tsaya kena mo Facebook ke ponela bana ba kwa fe and they are doing good
they are
doing good bra wa ka ke sa to signa mo
yeah
papa it will be hard to cheat to ona kwa not ka dance fe that's how they fa bana ba isu
ba go
not fela mara celebrity sa gona di mazitse bana ba batho
yeah but ke ntwele hore ha ke batlo o ja ko jese
e khabatha daso bra wa
ka ke sa motho wa Gauteng
ha Spani di dem bra wa ka ntho ke etsang ka Free State ha ona motho sa tanyetsa nna bra ka I don't judge I know I'm famous nka se Spani le bana ngwana hana le 2k followers but ke a mong ka tsa le jwalo bra because ke bona talent ngwana le tseba o ja efa so o hloka fela hore a fuwe chance
yeah the dream is to make Free State better
simple
Free State better the dream is to make Free State lona ha e jwalo ka Limpopo
ka e jwalo
Pitori
so
and all those things
and I'm not going even Limpopo ha ke bra
yeah
artist of Free State that kala di ki shoot I'm here to stay
ba bona the support is not there
no bra ka ha khawle support but ba ka nte ba khona go I'm telling you about Limpopo boy the guy who don't recognize her I don't know how but ke no khonne wa bona ke ntwana Free State ma go kgone bona gore mzala ke yona so why tlametse ke Limpopo ba kgona go mpona tse ke Free State ke batla ntho tsa Free State bra ba ka Free State le gore ba ne le ntho teng le gore re proud ka yona ho neng se se qetela ka bo Prince KB
mamela sale re qetela ka bo Charles o bona na go ntse bo Charles I think it was the best time especially for Free State to shine to etsa ntho tse ngata
so
then came corruption and stuff
ke yona ntho Free State e tumeng ka yona corruption ke ntho ya pele
bo thinte ga bona positioning ife o etsa mina I what dintho a re ska kena ke
dipolitiki bra
and ke nana ke bona happen who are making the things go sideways because it's them who have the funds they can fund
even now they see I'm not doing it for reason aso kwa impona ya mpona bra I'm trying working ke bana ba tswa ke ba itsise dintho under my team if ne ke le motho ana le pride nka be ke tsetsa batho ba re itse fela mara I'm trying gore ke nke Free State kwa Fiona kwa Senegal Wendy she's young kwa moqwaqwa I'm trying bra ka gore ke nke Free State ke kopanye ke etse ntho A1
ho span
municipality ya mona ya mpona a ke re ke na le zaka I don't have money but I'm trying gore ke etse dilo gore di etsale go batla Limpopo e be Free State.
So the future plans, what are your future plans and messages to the young ba batlang ho try field ya entertainment in short ya re entertainment re ska music specifically ke re entertainment message to them and the future plans like starting December January
sure ba bona ba plan tsa ka di ngata nna I wanna see fela hore at least ke na le team nyana ya batho ba ma 20 le dancer and ke khona ba patala ka ofela ke khona hore ba be sharp ka ofela ke batla batho ba 20 actually Skepsel and ke batla sibona ele one of the best ka Free State batho ke tsona ntho tse le gore no ke lwanela gore di be sharp no ke a leka ba mara in future ke batla bona ke nkile talent of Free State ke beile mara I need help also ha ke tlo khona di denye ke di one because everyone atlang o toolkit o expectile toolkit o ton patang because of the name toolkit they don't understand no re
the struggle is there
and ha ba to safara bana ba no ne mathuke ha ba to hula ka thata braka una na okay 5k reaction I tholang Facebook it's money no it's not money o thola reaction but you have to hustle o tlo bhloko ya o go ba le piliona yo jwetsa re ne I quit mara if you want this o tlo tswa o seng o jwetsa no I'm not quit
Selemo lo
braka I can see ke a le bona braka ke checkile everything okay Mauti yeah they are doing the best because in that sense jadi of Free State ngoringa re bona fela ka Limpopo braka le tswega tse Limpopo is the best braka go re ntongolo mo re learn from but what and ha gona training ya rona
so should try
a bona le majita le re kapo cherry kapo mang a batla go try entertainment a tie pelo bra waka mona se tla le lana
is not child's play
ai e mona braka yo wetsa la ke di terms and conditions braka history ya boya o batla pelo o batla mamello ya just no o tlolla hiso o tlolla dikgapha di itswe o bone ka ntho mo lengwa e kopana
yeah I think Buffett do you have questions Lenny yeah because of time Jinana hey what did you want to say to the community to the people to your followers to your fans o ka thabela o reng mo before re kwalang
and nka utlwa hloko haholo posela ya bona le fitile there are people le re braka I'm here ke bona rona batho le reng ke subject collaboration le bona yeah I'm proud of them I'm proud of them brawaka batho le ba nkentse dilong yeah ba bang they push me go back in the Lesedi FM bo radio 2000 yeah I can say ona le auti ka so ke a vepenar Sezito. I'll tell him I'll tell you a push. I'll tell you make sure to cheat you on CDFM. Ki s'appelle Trekele na le Chirena binali 2.1. Ebina zaba pe. Ki dike Afro. Ki spandele bona Treke brawaka. Erin soirele. Ki frustrata. It's not tap ki frustrata. Ki spandele bona Treke. They are the best brawaka. Le bona they did everything. Then the Valley brawaka. I don't want to lie. Valley for support.
Yeah, Valley is so.
Valley for support brawaka. The music video you can see all about Valley that's. Yeah, music video was put on all about Claim Valley. They came for me. Yeah, even get Rashiaga and woman. Osmi Miza. I want Heidi to braga. Nadilo get the part. To Mutastri. Mama Zala thing. Lena, she knows okay.
Oh.
It's life, braga.
Yeah, you will have crashes.
You are going to turn them tracker. Okasa Haniba Twanaga, Ulsha. Okay, I can get a couple of my move.
Makutume kibabona katlas kama
What all
kithuile ke ba skampe batla on top batla re kwalla channel.
So I wanna tamela go be honest ka bophelo bra waka. I wanna ntona e honesty like life ke ntho jwale bra ga tsama pata di ntho because of ke ntho tse tsalang. No ibla nna konyano ha re pate re be straight.
Yeah, re be straightforward because now they believe in social media.
Obvious.
So we must put it straight to them.
So how is also basic social media how basic?
Oh mna dia uthule. Pompodikwe.
Nthomolong of bra waka. And defense aga go like mthemolong community. Unse capital today bra ka. I wanna say sorry to anyone who came hetile mphilo. I know ke ba yentse bra waka. I know ke ba yentse. Ka ke ba hlabile ka etsa dipoho whatever.
Oh no gods.
Braga,
you see them tattoos kappa the stukas.
Braga, ne ke motho mo ga dangerous ka ga Free State. Le tlo go enka. Harassment ya ntseba. Ke tsona place tse dangerous ka ga Free State. Ka kwa harassment. Yeah, even the tronco harassment is one of the dangerous shade. How ya mo braga? Ya le go start. Mara ke tseba harassment. I braga ada ke dipanana di ka fats so ke a tseba ba bantse ba kwatile braga ke no ba kwatile they still don't like me but nna ke a tsho ke re ke di entse
everyone deserves a second chance
and I got a second chance in the movie mara na mo di movie le braga ka ena ke happy gore ke nna yona ke apena a tshitsa ka ba tlhokaetse ka phone o sa ga bile nna braga one man. Yeah, nerealistic na bo ma 20 community ba bola ile o setse nna like I don't know how mara ke nna yo ke a phela and le bona I know maybe they are proud of me when feel to go le
wa push something else man to make a living
ke na di tsotsi nthontse ga tsotsi pa ya ba ka le magotmana big ke ba inspire ba yo ba ndwetsa na ke ba kwalle ka ntle ke a bua le bona social media gore ba tsa ka ntho ke sure how bolelo how le tsotsi how la ntho ka yetsa e teng ke nna yo la bona ke pala ba BM ba fethu ke le tsotsi ke ene ke pala so asika utswa fela ona ntho ka create from botsotsi bone the something like how tse ba sebedisa kelello o tlo bona go okay tse dintsa dintho I don't have ke di etse tsena ke tlamile ke di etse
you know the topic is very powerful and but since by it's because lo gona re tseba ba pae ba se ba dintho because of crime
sure brawaka
and now have a go change the situations because their life sentences di too much but at least di ba tseba le ka wetsa ntho tse jwalo ba bone le bona rai at the end there is something else.
Sure.
Okay, like you can use your talent in order to pursue life. Because now it can lead to somewhere.
Sure.
More than 30 years, 40 years. How about release the more how to blow the guy? You shall how Macala Logona. Oh, ma'am.
Bagalis Fata see you there. The bourgeois how bony. And the Baga Nagapunile. No joke was over 15 years. I can't attempt to me. Hagata na trongo like ke itjwetsa now ngwana ka o na qeta ho hlana le 5 days ha ne ke tshwara mara ha ke ta qetela ke itjwetsa no this thing is not working. Yeah, like ka quita ke bona ke no man that actually ke batle ha ke kha ngwana ke msila sa tsebotseya sa tsebubu ha ke jira ngwana ke wa bua bona elang khabatha le de hence ke change ene le bona mauthi ka ntle ka raso ha ona mothato mo change ha ntse le go bona ba ka kopa o change nna ke no ba fa advice ba yena ke yena fela ka gona gore
a change le
ba ka gale ba khotsa ne sa mamela but nna ke gone itjwetsa ke le iwana gore ha ke hloke motho a njwetse maka a njwetse ngwana ka myself ke itjwetse fela gore I quit and one time ba ka like e ba fethu la nqetela tronkong hiso ha ke tswa e kuba they didn't believe ba di soka ba ka se bile di rusitse tse ba di soka ya no bona ke a bua
ya chapa ba
lo tswa ke ba jwetse ka khole ntsa ba le daso ndawo ngole ba fethu ai nna ke a pheya ka ntle ka la mpona ya ane da ba supporta baka ditsotsi a se go tsotsi a dinakelelo nna ba supporta magotmane da so dindawo tronko ke a bona la ke bua bo di radio ba bua ke gona bona go kenyeng a bona so ha o hloke motho a uetse go change wena self iketse baka wa ka o change o tswenda wo
di connection ba fethu we are honored ba fethu I don't tshantse le be le dipotso no tseletsatsi la mfatla ka site nena ha ke sa ipatla be ke be motho basadi ba tla re
no ka tsaba ba bua fela baka nna
ya
ke wa lona magotmane ke wa lona ke le nna ka fela ha ona le potso ba hore personal a kae nna me straight talker ala ke tshabu bua ya ntho ke be straight baka ka nkhoya nnete
ya mama uthi a planning ya betsa di heist tse kotsi ne o ba protecting yana betse batho ka dikabineteng ka mano re ha o ka kena mo uthi a tsena o tse a bitsitse ntho tse nneteng ba nneteng
baka wa ka a bona
at the end of the day surviving is winning
nna ke ba go thaletse baka because tronko baka ka senyana ko nana the whole 10 years o sa bone bona sa bone
skete se important
baka ke hlanya holo wa bona tronko le yona baka e dangerous daso because that's how na sound e le gata ne like grooving ha yo tumtum yeno ha ona motho a mme bo hi o ikena gale na la 10 years o sa ukisa nge jwa ha o tswa o boya thaibeni baka you gonna do murder the same day o tsile hence batho ba ngata o tswa o tsile be ke fetse go bietse because baka ha o tswara o tswa le metsikelele
o nobue
baka like le gatalele la o tsama skontiring dikolo fuvu o like wa tsuwa baka o bona motho a mmetse 99 ha le wa bona go shit bona gonka ya khabatha baka ya khabatha ile matsakelele lo that's why ho le thatha o tshintja because ha o tswara so o thaba too much because ntole o iqinne gale and o tlotsa di flopo ke gotaletsa batho ha o tswa tronko go nke bo ma 4 months o rutsi hae o zama gutlela o tshwara
o adapte life
jona bona gona le flopo ka ntwa ke tswile ka se Friday 25 ke danda o ke ka Thailand ke khanya west ke ntitse o ka pi ba ka ke ja pa o ka because ntole ke iqinne gale ha iyo rata nyane la ha ona ntweni ya go tla no bona ntotso sa a dio le motho a mme o ya o ba ka ne killa tente me ya ga tonna thaka busy ko ne ke tlodisa je ba ka like ya ke ba ka bona
pakane
ba ka tlantsa ke ntotso do so mo ai that's guy try
ya a re pape ba bona se ba batla o itla bantu so ba fethu don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, follow Toolkit from Riverside.
Riverside.
Oh, sentse ko e.
Ai ke ba ke a
I guess I tell you what I get my man. Ke mantsa ka tsastavola o bua mafosi ha ke le teng na o duma kotsi tshwara mosadi a o tlwele mokosi re tla di bona o sanetse tsa bagotsi basadi ba tletse ba tswa joshi ska ba tsuwana na tshwere dikgosi le mino boyetsa ngokwa kwa ditsotsi ba meno ka ya tlisetse tosi ke tshese sigare ngotseng khotli Nowadays I'm kind of feeling good. Liti tabula seta ke chese slowly. Ntandi mali phela ngintete coast.
Him twerking gonna I'm feeling good. Utwere boza mabebeza come duze. Lepantola lam rapper don't lose it. Take all over day 2 the I choose yeah. No rush when I sweetie hata boot. Fully vodka ntwana gazi vela sip shot. Uzokhokha if you acting kinda good guy. Started water we just wanna have some good times. Harero bale na magang ntwana all night. I'm everywhere you go, yellow bone, MTN. I know they feeling cold, but to heal it, but to head. I'm not short when I sweetie music is stance. If you wanna party with me, gotta understand.
I chop money with a blender like a shredder, eat you like a cheddar. This is so creamy. I take you on the repertoire. I'm taller than the Eiffel Towers, running faster than Keston. Jenge koli zobu minya katalente kahusinya.
Imabebeza tabalana petit boss. Isinjesane over there, but pussy vodka. Why you dancing like you wanna do? Come over. Sahla sala marabela uzokoka. Imabebeza tabalana petit boss. Isinjesane over there, but pussy vodka. Why you dancing like you wanna do? Come over. Sahla sala marabela uzokoka. Petit boss, sweet petit boss. Petit boss, sweet petit boss. Petit boss, sweet petit boss. Sahla sala marabela uzokoka. Petit boss, sweet petit boss. Petit boss, sweet petit boss. Petit boss, sweet petit boss. Sahla sala marabela uzokoka.
Mizute no hadi ya fati. Khale ke thatha udimale fati. Batole mala no hukuba di kasi.